Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys having a great evening in America, and welcome and good morning to everybody in Asia. And it's looking like, the Fed and the Powell, they've just come out with a statement, and it looks like that statement has been pretty positive. We're going to jump into what he said, how that's affecting the markets, and things look like things are turning green right now. The markets are going green. Things are looking pretty positive, and it's about to happen, guys. I think that we're going to see Bitcoin make a huge move soon. We're going to see Dogecoin, Shiba Inu follow suit and make some huge moves, guys. So we're going to jump into the news. We're going to jump into a little bit of the technicals and just give you a overall outlook. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education, entertainment purposes in the house, guys. So overall, we're seeing things starting to turn up, guys, and things are going to be pretty positive. And we've seen this before, and this whole Fed meeting was really a lot of FOMO and people just hanging out on the sidelines. And we're seeing that even the broader market start to react in a positive way. And so I think this is going to, the past week or so of consolidation and things going down. I think this is basically the pivotal point. Now it's around about December 16th here in Vietnam and 15th in America. So that gives us about 2 weeks to the end of the year, and hopefully we're going to get that huge upside bull run that we were all anticipating and expected. And if not, it could absolutely probably go into the next year, early January, before we see $79,000 to $100,000 coming in. So I'm still pretty confident that this is going to happen. You should be confident, and you should not be panicking out there. I still think this is a good time to be buying the dips dollar cost average, because there's still a lot of bargains out there. I think Solana is still a good bargain, guys. And so let's jump into content without any further delay, guys. Let's get it. And it's a great day. I'm just out here in my back garden and just about heading to the office, so I thought I'd bring you this update, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, guys, subscribe, and don't forget to comment as always, guys. Much love in the house, and don't forget to go back and watch some of our other videos. And yesterday we had Dogecoin developer Mint's first ever NFT on the Dogecoin blockchain, and this is really huge. And if you haven't watched this, you should go back and watch it, because this is really big for Dogecoin, and it's never happened before. So I think you guys should go back and watch that. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So let's jump into it, guys. Some bullish news right now. We've got Switzerland's largest online bank is launching a Bitcoin exchange. So this is really bullish, guys, and we're seeing that more and more banks and big banks across the world. Even in Germany yesterday, I talked about how one of the big German banks are also offering crypto on their banking platform, and this is really important, and it's really indicative. And it seems that other countries, particularly in the European Union, are starting to embrace. The banks are starting to embrace crypto because they realize that they have no choice. It just seems that the U.S. are a little bit lagging behind, because I think there's too much regulation FUD going on right now, and that's kind of scaring main banks. And I think also main banks, they don't want to turn on crypto because they don't want to be singled out by Gary Gensler, and because they're the current administration are a little bit of a crypto Debbie Downer. So I think that the mainstream banks, they kind of being a little bit cautious, because if they jump into it, it shows that they're in crypto, where the current administration is not. So they don't want to have any culture clashes or political clashes with the current administration. That could all change, when the next administration comes in, whoever that is, I don't know. So we're seeing that's happening. Also, back mortgages by Lendy. So this is really cool that right now this Lendy platform, they're going to be offering back mortgages on Bitcoin. So if you've got a whole ton of Bitcoin, you made a ton of profit, and you want to buy a house, rather than converting it to fiat, etc., and then doing that, you can actually go through this company, and they will give you a mortgage based on your Bitcoin. So that's really good, because up until now you can't do that, right? You got to basically sell your Bitcoin, and then you have to convert to fiat and then get a mortgage that way. So they're basically going to allow Bitcoin backed mortgages. So this is really cool, guys. And some of the interesting news that's coming out right now, we can see that the broader markets yesterday, they went up. So we had this whole Jeremy Powell announcement that came out, and it's pretty positive. Fed will aggressively dial back its bond buying and seize 3 rate hikes next year. So it looks like they're confirming that there's going to be a rate hike. So that's not too bad, because there is a study that came out from the Deutsche Bank, and even when the Fed starts hiking rates, stocks could keep rising for 10 months according to Deutsche Bank. So there's this whole survey survey that came out, and it basically says that, since 1955, every time that the Fed increases rates, basically the stocks don't go down, they continue to go up for at least 9 to 10 months. So that's really a positive sign. So, overall, so these rate hikes are really not going to have much impact on the broader market, and I think it's going to have more and more positive outcome on the crypto space. Now, the other thing is the Fed just approved their debt ceiling of 2.5 trillion. So I think that is actually pretty bullish news in the house for crypto, because what's going to happen is the Fed is now printing more and more money. Inflation is going to go out of control, and that's going to cause more and more people to actually ape into crypto like crazy. So I think that's just pretty bullish news. Some other news that's coming out too right now is Bitcoin stocks bounce back after Fed signals interest rates. So this is what's one of the main driving forces that we're seeing that's causing all of the cryptos and the broader markets to go up. So this is very good, guys. So, and there's going to be three interest rates in 2022. So, I still think it's pretty good, and I think that we could see this whole bull run continue definitely past the end of December and early in January. So, guys, hold on, guys. I don't think it's over by any stretch of the imagination. So once again, we're seeing Bitcoin and Ether spiked once again after the Fed announcement. So this is what everybody's been waiting for. Everybody's been waiting on the sidelines for this whole federal interest rate thing to happen. So there's no immediate interest rate changes, but there will be 3 interest rate hikes next year. So this has been positive news, and it's been welcomed by all the financial communities, and that's why we're seeing that crypto is going up. So analysts expect Bitcoin trend change after the Fed lays out its 2022 roadmap. So traders look for a market-wide recovery now that the Fed has confirmed at least 3 rate hikes and wind down of its bond purchasing policy. So I think, basically the cat's out of the bag. Everybody knows what's going to happen. They're going to be winding down their bonds. Everybody pretty much expected that to happen in 2022. They just didn't know when. So that's kind of the cat's out of the bag now. So that's really good news. So overall, we're going to see that, there's a solid base for support near 46,500. So we're seeing that, more detailed analysis of the recent price action was followed by option traders. And, John Wick just posted this. And John Wick is a huge TA guy. And we're seeing that confirmed reversal bullish. And so it looks like we're going to get we've got a confirmed reversal right now, and we have some very good support around about 46,500. So if we take a look at the current Bitcoin price right now in the house, we can see that Bitcoin on the weekly right now is at 49,000. So that's pretty good, guys. We're heading back up. We're heading back up in the right direction. So hopefully this candle, we can close this candle out in a positive note. So last week we closed out Bitcoin at a high of 51,970, and we had a low of 46,872. So if we can get back above 51,000, 50,000 at least, then that's going to turn this candle green. And we have 3 days and 23 hours to do it. So it's not too bad, guys. I think we're going to close another green candle. And if we look at Bitcoin here on the Binance 4-hour chart, we're trading at 48,969. Keep in mind the price is a little bit different because different exchanges have different slippage. But if we talked about this whole trading channel here, and Bitcoin has just been range bound in this channel. It looks like we're going to the top side of this channel. So if we can break past the 49,800, let's just call it 50,000, that's going to be a very bullish signal for Bitcoin. And I don't think that we're going to see anything below 48,000 once we get past that. And then our next target in size is about 52,000. So this is going to be bullish overall for the whole crypto markets, and it's also going to help take Dogecoin higher and higher, and also Shiba Inu as well if you're watching. And so this is pretty good. Also, Federal Chairman Jeremy Powell says he isn't concerned about crypto disrupting financial stability in the U.S. So this is good. Stable coins are certainly be a useful, efficient consumer-serving point of financial system if they're properly regulated. So Jeremy Powell, he actually does like crypto, and he's okay with crypto, and he's basically just saying that we need to have more regulation for a stable coin. So I agree with that. We need to have some regulation in there for that. So this is good news overall. So I think that we shouldn't be worried too much about this. I think this whole meeting is out of there, and that whole meeting was really a lot of FOMO. A lot of people were panicking out there, and a lot of FUD was kind of generated. So I think now it's over. It's a no-brainer. As usual, there's always these these things that come up, and there's a lot of manipulation, and there's a lot of negative stories that come out. That drives prices down, allows whales to kind of just do whatever whale's doing. So I wouldn't panic. It's over now. It's over now. It's over, and things are looking pretty good, guys. So let's jump into the Doge price right now. But Doji Woji. So we're seeing that Doge right now is trading at 18 cents. So that's looking pretty good in the house. And we're right back where we are, just above the 18-cent support line, and that's looking pretty positive in the house, guys. And hopefully we're going to make some moves to the upside, and I think you're going to see that Doge is going to make some moves to the upside. So all of the Tesla accepting Doge for merchant stuff and all of that, that's kind of been washed out now. All that euphoria is gone, and we're back down to just basically Dogecoin fundamentals. So we're really the whole crypto markets are really relying on Bitcoin to make some moves now, but I think it's going to happen. It's absolutely going to happen. We're going to see ourselves breaking out. Sure, absolutely. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house, guys. Let me just get this to refresh. Here it comes. Internet's a little bit slow here in Vietnam right now, so sorry for making you wait on that. So here's the Shiba Inu price. It's coming in. It's coming in. You can do it. There we go. So we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now it's trading at 34.29, and once again we're still just slightly above our 33 support line. And Shiba Inu has been going sideways right now, basically since the 4th of December. So it's almost like 12 days of just kind of going sideways. At least we're not going down. So if you're a Shiba Inu holder, at least we're not going down. So we could expect, we could expect Shiba Inu to start to make some moves soon. So this is very good news. Let's take a look at the fear and greed in the house right now. Let me just refresh that for you. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. And we're seeing that the fear and greed index right now is at 29. So we're moving on up in the right direction from that perspective. But this also is pretty indicative of that, we're going to have, you guys have less and less time to be buying the dippy dips. So guys, don't panic in the house. Things are starting to move in the right direction. So I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe. And if you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to give a super chat, guys. You want it, guys. I know I want it. You guys definitely know you want it. So we're seeing some positive moves for Ethereum right now. Ethereum has just broken past our $4,000 level. So that's key, guys. That's absolutely key. So this is a huge psychological resistance level that we just broken past. So, and then we've also broken out of this, this descending resistance line here. So this is very good in the house for Ethereum. Where do I see Ethereum going? What's the next move? Our next move is I think that we're going to be going past 4,200 probably in the next 24 hours, and you're going to see all the markets start to slowly recover, and we should get everything should get back up to about 4,400 for Ethereum. We should get back up to about 52,000 for Bitcoin. I think we'll see Dogecoin getting back up to 20,000, and then we're going to start to reset everything, and we're going to start moving up from there. So I think it's a good launch pad where we are right now. So it's looking pretty good overall. And we're seeing Solana is coming back, guys. Solana is 179. It's blown past my $170 resistance. So Solana is looking good. If you were able to pick up some Solana yesterday or the day before when we were at 146, you guys are making bank right now. So I did say that Solana is still looking good. And Solana is a very good long-term hold in my perspective. I'm going to be holding Solana long-term. I love this baby. And it's really good. Let's take a look at Matic in the house. Matic is also coming back. It's the $2 resistance level has now become support, and we're trading at $2.15. So Matic is coming back in a huge way right now. So that is absolutely pretty positive in the house, and we're seeing some really super duper gains. So let's take a look at the total market cap in the house, guys. Woo! It's a great day. The sun's just coming out, guys. Sun is trying to peek its way through the clouds right now, and we're seeing that the total market cap right now. Let me just give this a refresh, make sure we got all the updated info for you. Because sometimes the internet's a little bit flaky here in Vietnam, and the market cap is right. It's 2.32 trillion, and the volumes are coming back up. So that's what we want to see. We want to see higher volumes, and it's at 95.39 billion. And the good news is the Bitcoin dominance has come down as well. So that is also good for the altcoins. So that is very bullish news in the house, guys. So right now things are looking pretty peachy keen. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is alive and kicking. It's up almost 2%. That's at 49,145. We're seeing that Ethereum is comeback kid, and it's up 5%. So we're seeing more green everywhere, guys, and it's at 4,045. And BNB is up right now, and it's at $543, and that's up 2.7%. And we're seeing Solana right now is at $179, and that's up 11.51%. So that is a huge positive move for Solana. ADA is up as well. It's $1.32. DOT is coming back as well. It's at 5.37 as well. And Avalanche is up 16%. It's over $100 right now. So that's really good news, guys. So if you're holding Avalanche, you guys should be pretty happy. Doge is down slightly right now. It's at 18 cents, holding strong. Luna is up 5.3%. And Shiba Inu is up slightly as well. Matic is up 8%. So you're starting to see that all the altcoins are actually coming alive right now. So let's take a look at the portfolio in the house, the channel portfolio in the house right now. And you can see right now the total market cap is up over 3.4%. So that is really bullish news. Remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. It's just for education, entertainment purposes in the house. And our portfolio is up 71% right now. So that is very good. And we're in a profit about $3,600. So things are looking pretty good overall. The markets are coming back. So, you know, this is the whole blast off that we've been waiting for. It's happening, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to go to my Twitter, guys, and join the fun club. Join the fun club and, you know, get some love in the house. And we got 3,465 people on Twitter. Get it while you can, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe. If you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to give a super chat and like this video, guys. And don't forget to check out my merch, guys. Check out the merch. We got cups, we got mugs, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of great stuff. You know you want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go back and check the Wi-Fi Wifey channel. And go over there and subscribe, Wifey, and show some love in the house for the wife. And Merry Christmas. God bless you all. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo!